The market for fortified gummies has experienced a substantial growth over the past years. The reason is that consumers are looking for pleasant and easy to consume ways to get their daily dose of vitamins, minerals, collagen and others. In this context, a starchless gummy production process has been developed to eliminate the risk of cross-contamination via the starch. The disadvantage up to now has been that the traditional gelatin cannot be used here, and thus the desired texture is not given. With CONFIXX, a new generation of gelatin specially designed for starchless gummy production has been developed, and therefore we now also can offer the desired texture and taste for fruit gummies.
Hensel Processing has been a leading manufacturer in process equipments for confectionery products and functional jellies for many years. For starchless depositing, it is crucial that the moisture loss due to the starch powder is not taken into account when the mass is cooked to the desired total solid of the final product. The masses are therefore cooked higher than for jelly products deposited in a standard mogul. Because of the cooking systems of Hensel Processing, this is possible without any problems. Also, masses with a higher viscosity due to higher total solid can be processed without limitation.
WDS is one of the leading international manufacturers in molding of chocolate, gum and jelly. We see a great potential for starchless production technology, especially for OTC products with supplements. Forward-looking, we increase the possibility of our in-house product technology center in the last year. We can demonstrate all process steps of a starchless production line and develop products at the highest technical level.
CONFIXX is our perfect solution for starchless production of gummies. So it performs incredibly well in industrial equipment. It has fast-setting behaviors, but still this delicious and most preferred gelatin texture. And Gelita is an ideal partner for the development of gummy supplements and fortified gummies, because it is not only known for gelatin, also for nutrition and health ingredients.